I have a LG bottom freezer refrigerator and the lights in the refrigerator will not work. I have changed both door switches and replaced the light assembly and it still doesn't work. Am I missing something here?
Can you guesstimate how old your LG is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model LFC21760SB. It's about 9 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I do once I figure out what needs to be done that I haven't done already. There is one other thing. If I have one door closed and press the door switch, the lights flicker.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Only what is causing the problem.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Unfortunately, this refrigerator is known for the light relay on the main control board failing. If you already replaced the light switches and the bulbs and the interior lights won't turn on, your main control board on the back of your refrigerator will need to be ordered and replaced. The only good news is that the main board is relatively inexpensive compared to most refrigerators, and it's about $75. Below is a link to the part. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.